This fox isn't hunting, he's just here for the fun. Perfect form, terrible breaks. A royal pose, ruined in one sneeze. Nature's blooper reel never disappoint. Even in the desert, Mondays hit hard. That's the sound of pure morning energy loss. Precision hunter, taking a break. Every feather gets a rinse before flight. When danger's near, or maybe just nap time, he becomes a perfect sphere. He moves like time itself. No rush, no stress, just perfect peace. Quick shake, and it's like the storm never happened. Feathers one. Those ears aren't just cute, they track every grain of sound underground. One second invisible, next second glowing. Evolution's fine. He doesn't need coffee, just a good log and purpose. All clear. Then again, he's been saying that for an hour. Who needs wings when you've got a frozen highway? That's premium penguin transport. New animal moments drop every hour. Hit subscribe and don't miss the next one. Gravity calls, and he simply ignores it. He's curious about everything, including your breath, up close and personal. Four legs, 2 meters of neck, zero coordination. Wings at 80 beats a second, and not a single complaint. Perfection in motion. When you're small, but built like chaos, every move looks dramatic. One breath, one horn, one frame of pure majesty. The Arctic never... Calm, deliberate, focused. Fear belongs... Ah, that's the spot. Wild spas are underrated. That smile isn't fake. That's how he looks 24/7. Happiness. Half the size, twice the spirit. Free fall looks effortless when you've trained your whole life for it. He's not angry, just efficient. Dirt never wins the